Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to watch DramaBox online for free in 2025 without any subscription. So, if you also want to watch DramaBox series online for free, just watch this tutorial till the end to learn everything about this. Simply navigate to DramaBox application. It will open up with this interface. Now, in order to watch any one of these for free, just utilize the DramaBox in-app reward system. So DramaBox offers opportunities to earn coins within the app, which can be used to access content without a subscription. Here's how you can accumulate these coins. Daily check-ins. By logging into the app daily, you can earn incrementally. For instance, check-in daily can grant you 3 coins with the amount increasing over consecutive days. Now, another way to do this is engage with ads. Watching video advertisement within the app can reward you with additional coins. Each ad viewed can earn you 2 coins with a daily limit of 15 ads totaling 30 coins per day. In order to avail that, simply open any one of these series, then click on it. After you click on the series, it will show up with that series episode. Simply click on the episode icon at the bottom right of the screen and it will show up the episodes looking like this. Now, in order to watch another episodes that are logged for free, click on that specific episode with the log icon at the top and it will show up this pop-up saying 10 coins, 20 coins, 50 or 100 coins. So this is 2 coins per episode. We'll have to just click on this cross icon at the top and it will show up an option saying watch ad to unlock. Click on this watch ad to unlock and you can easily unlock 10 free episodes per day by watching ads. So by consistently participating in these activities, you can accumulate enough coins to watch certain dramas without a subscription. Now, another way to do this is explore alternative platforms. While DramaBox's dedicated platform, some of its content might be available on other sites. Here are a few other platforms to consider. The first one is Dailymotion. Install Dailymotion or navigate to Dailymotion, and this video sharing platform hosts a variety of user uploaded content including dramas. While not all dramas content will be available, it's worth checking for specific titles. Now, YouTube. Similar to Dailymotion, YouTube may have episodes or clips of dramas uploaded by users. So searching for specific show titles can yield results, though availability may vary. Now, another way is using TikTok. While primarily known for short videos, TikTok users sometimes share highlights or snippets of popular dramas. This can be a way to get a glimpse of the episode or discover new episodes. So by exploring these options, you can enjoy DramaBox content and similar dramas without a subscription. Though it may require some effort and consistency in engaging with the available reward system and alternative platforms. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.